Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record macros in Excel and enhance the code using CHAT GPT. So this is a very simple process rather than typing the whole VBA code to do this macro. You can just simply record what the Excel should do when you select the macro and it will be done automatically when you selected the macros. So today I'm going to show you how to do it and enhance it with ChatGPT. So we are taking a simple database which contains the product names, the cost price, unit sold, and the revenue. And I want to change this database to a proper formatted table like this one. And for the unit sold, it should automatically highlight the units which are less than 100. So what I'll do is first I'll record the macro. For that, you have to go into the developer option. If you don't have developer, you can go into customize, left click here and go to customize the ribbon. And here you can select the developer and click on OK. After that, you can record the macro, give it a name. I'm giving it as format table. You can also give a shortcut key and for the store macro, you'll get three options. One is this workbook, one is new workbook, one is personal workbook. This workbook means the macro which you are creating will stored only in this file. Means if you open another file, this macro will not be available there. And if you select on new workbook, the macro which you are making will be saved in a new workbook. And for the personal macro workbook, it is like a universe macro workbook. Here, each and every file you open in your computer, you can access the macro that you are creating now. So if you want this macro to be accessed in all the Excel files in your computer, then you can select personal macro workbook or stick to this workbook. I'll select personal macro workbook and click on OK. Now the recording has started. Here what we'll do is we'll just set how the Excel should do. So first we'll select the range of my database and then convert it into table and auto fit the column width and row height, and now align it to center and middle. And for the unit sold, select the unit sold range, go to conditional formatting, less than 100, click on enter. Also for the cost price and selling price, we'll change it into currency format. We'll select the cost and selling price range, set to currency, remove the decimal values, and we'll do the same for the revenue also. Currency, remove decimal values, and done. After recording your macros, you can again go to the developer and click on stop recording, and your macro is saved. Now let's just view the code. For that, we'll go to the VBA editor. In the VBA personal, you can see your macro code here. Now the problem that arise in this Excel file is that if you remove a row or add a new row, the macro will not take the new rows. Means here if there are 101 rows, the table will be created only for this 101 rows. If you add 102 row in your database, that will be not formatted as provided. Or else if you remove one row, it will format the empty rows also. To avoid this, we are using CHAT GPT. In ChatGPT, type in this prompt and copy paste the code and send it. Now the chat GPT will give a nice formatted and dynamic code that you can use for all your sheets. You can copy paste this code here, click on save. Again, now we'll try it in another sheet. What I'll do, I'll copy this range and paste as values only. Okay, now I'll just remove some rows. And now we'll see if this macro will work or not if I decrease the rows. As you can see, if I decrease the rows, the table range is ending where the data has ended. Now if I increase the rows and again click the macro, it will extend the table range and the conditional formatting for the new rows. So another feature that you can use in this macro is that if you go to your macro and click on options, you can allot this macro a shortcut key. Means if I select Ctrl Shift R as a shortcut key and click on OK, now again what I'll do is I'll copy this database and paste it as values. So whenever I click on Ctrl Shift R, the macro will automatically run and format as table. So like this, you can make any type of macros by using the option record macros, like exporting an Excel file to PDF or writing a new formulas or adding a new columns with formulas and etc. I hope this video helped you a lot. If so, like this video, share it and don't forget to subscribe our channel.